panahon, mga kapamilya, parang kailan lang ang aking dalaga ngayon ay baby pa lamang noon, hindi ba? May isang napakagandang awitin na madalas kong kantahin sa kanya nung bata pa siya. Kinanta ko to sa isang concert. Hanggang ngayon, it's still very relevant and I'd like to sing it for you. After a long time, I love you. If I could, I'd protect you from the sadness in your eyes, give you courage in a world of compromise. Yes, I would, if I could. It's so meaningful. Yan yung lagi kong naalala. Well, naalala ko ngayon every time I'd hear you in your concert. Talagang, yan yung every time kong naririnig yan, I remember you. I love you. Happy birthday to me!
Okay, at eto daw, para mas maging mas makabuluhan ang birthday celebration na ito, eto pa daw, at mayroong gustong bumati sa'yo, Casey, ang napakagwapong si Yolo Pascual at kasunod pa daw, panoorin natin.
Congratulations sa bagong mong album. I know kung gaano mo pinaghirapan to. You even wrote songs. Napakagandang album. So sa lahat naman nakakapanood, please grab a copy. Meron pang journal, napakaganda ng packaging. And congratulations din sa movie mo with your papa. I know na talaga marami nag-aabang dito. And kung ano man yung mga desires mo, I pray na i-grant ni Lord because mabuti kang tao. Happy birthday and thank you for everything.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, and hope you're having fun. We're doing a movie right now. I'm really excited. You've changed a lot. You're a big girl now, and I'm really happy to see that all of this is happening. And I'm so excited to do our movie. We're taping again, we're shooting again tomorrow, and I hope to see you in Laguna. Take care.
Okay. What can you say to PJ and Papa?
Well, I guess first to Papa, yes, see you again in Laguna. Alam mo kami ni
Papa when we're on set, you'd think sobra-sobra kaming nagbaband. It's true, nag-uusap kami lagi, but actually kapag meron kaming mga eksena, kasi right now, nagmamaldita ako talaga sa mga scenes. Yung character ko si Maxi, or Mina, Maxi Mina, she's very, yung mataray sa tatay niya, kasi galit siya, kasi ganyan. So, nahihirapan ako pag masyado kaming masaya or nag-uusap. So, sa mga eksena, pag may mga eksena kami ganyan, di talaga kami nagsasama. Magkalayo kami sa set, and then after na lang kami nag-uusap. So, yeah, I'm excited to see you again on set.
At yan ay sinabi mo para wag ako magselos.
Ay, hindi naman. Kasi yun yung totoo.
Oo naman.
And, Paige, thank you sa pag-promote ng album. Oo nga, lahat sinabi mo na. I know he's in the States, I think, now for his concert tour. But thank you for that message. It was really a surprise. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. At syempre po, magbabalik pa po kami kasama pa rin ng aking baby girl sa kanyang birthday celebration dito lamang sa